Hey guys, well, hold on, is it good? Welcome to my first video on YouTube. We're in my beautiful garage. We are going to be making a fidget spinner, whatever you want to call it, a hand spinner. By the way, it's going to use some bearings. This is a homemade. What I'm using is hot glue, and some skateboard wheels. I already got two. By the way, my middle one goes pretty fast. I took off I'm using a Reds TM. Yeah, I took off that just with a knife. And then this is the wheel that it came from. And then these are the pieces over there. You don't need to look at them. I'm going to show you a really easy way to basically like take off the bearings of a skateboard. But first, all you need to do is just get the bearings off. There we have the spacer and also the chip. Let's put these over here. Like that. You can take that off. There's that chip. On here, there's a chip as well. Okay, so here's the wheel. What you do is you take the piece that you took it off and you just pry it open. You get to the middle and you just pry it open like that. It might take a little bit of tries, but you'll get it. Now, on the other side, you put it in and you just pry it off. That's the easiest way for me. Now you have the both wheels. You can just collect those, keep them wherever you need. This step. Now you need to do this with two wheels. By the way, I just disassembled my my homemade fidget spinner just for this video, just to show you how to make one. Also an easy way to like take off bearings. Most of you might know that trick. Yeah, this is good for a fidget spinner. Oh, that's better. So what you do is you have the middle piece. What you do is you take it off so you like mark that it's your middle one. What you do, you hot glue or super glue the first one, and you stick it on to your middle piece. Find your fastest like one, and then like stick it on. There we go. Glue's really fast. Now just get the sides like that. And then you can take away all of that. Flip it over. Do the same on this side. Like so. Also, maybe in the middle, like right there. Right here. Right there. And there you have it. Your first one so far. Just two more to go. And hot glue actually dries up pretty quickly. So we already have two. Sorry about that noise. You guys can hear it. Not that car. Like there was a noise. Just press it together until it dries. Which don't want to take too long because it dries really quickly. Now we have a little bit of it done. Now we just do the same with this. Hot glue it. My glue stick is running out. By the way, there is a life hack where you grab it, you glue this, and then you just like have a stick like that. That's pretty cool though. If you guys want to try that out, I might do a video on that when I get more glue sticks. But until then, yeah. Let me just take away all the string stuff. By the way, if you want this to be more advanced, you could put like a shoelace around it. Shoelace, like, hold on. A shoelace, like, around like that. Now all we need is this one, right there. So, right there. Oop. Gosh, it's all... Basically, you have your fidget spinner right now. First, let me just take a selfie. JK. I'm just gonna just make that. Probably you don't hear it, but like whatever. And that's basically how you make a fidget spinner. Also an easy way to take out bearings from your skateboard. Two people, pace. JK, look at this, bro. This is so cool. In front you can see the red, in the back you can't. But yeah, that's basically how you make it. If you guys want to make it at home, you can. It's pretty dope, gotta say myself. By the way, on the side, if I go like this, you see all the red. And on this side, it looks all gray. Yeah, because of the red. Red, really bad gray. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, hit that like button. Let's get, let's see, 10 likes on my first video. That would be greatly appreciated. If you guys can do any type of video, there's only a couple of choices. It can be another DIY, which the next DIY is, I don't know, like, I don't know. I'll have to think on it, because I do not know which DIY to do. Maybe like